Hello, my friends. It's me, Lilac Sloth here. I hope you're all having a good day. It's very warm here today, so I hope everyone's staying hydrated. So, welcome to my TED Talk. There's a lot of flappy boys about where I live at the minute, so I thought I'd enlighten you on some fascinating facts about seagulls. So, I've got my cup of tea, and let's get started then. So, number 10. Seagulls have been around for ages in Britain, and as such, have been a large part of our culture. Since the Celtic Druid tradition in 3 BC, Britons have worshipped our beach overlords by bringing offerings of ice cream in return for a good harvest in the autumn. As you can see, this is a depiction of Dave Druid from around 2 BC-ish, and he's holding a waffle cone and the 4 flavours of ice cream that present each season. So pistachios winter, raspberry or strawberry summer, chocolate's autumn, honeycomb is spring, and then what will happen is the seagulls swoop down and then their droppings fertilise the land. So yeah, and that tradition has carried on to this day. Number 9. Seagulls, contrary to popular belief that they're quite small, actually have a wingspan of 60 metres. That is the size of 3 London double-decker buses. When they fly, they generate so much wind that scientists are now looking to harness seagulls like wind turbines. So yeah, that's a fun fact for you there. Number 8. In the wild, seagulls live on a diet of boots meal deals. When they see a school of boot sandwiches swimming about in the ocean, they swoop down and grasp them in their talons, and then they take them away to cliffs where they will rip the packaging apart, and then scoop out the insides to feed to their young. Number 7. Following on from number 8, seagulls have adapted to living in cities and their new fast food diet by developing a fork-like appendage on their feet. This allows them to open packaging more easily, as you can see by the absence of packaging on this double cheeseburger. Other burgers and other brands are available, by the way. Just, yeah, we've got to keep that ad revenue coming, you know, with my many subscribers.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
So, number 6. During mating seasons, seagulls will migrate to wherever Brian May is on tour and lay their eggs to nest in his hair until they hatch. Brian May can hold up to 10 nests in his hair at any one time, and then once the chicks have flown away, he'll signify to other seagulls that he's ready to nest more eggs by playing We Will Rock You on the cliffs of Dover for 3 hours at a time, every day. Yeah, it takes a lot of time and energy out of Brian's day, that does. Number 5. When feasting on a cheddar cheese boots ploughmans, seagulls can stretch their jaw to 180 degrees. For larger meals, such as a small child or a big tasty with bacon, seagulls can dislocate their jaw to devour their meal more easily. They also have serrated beaks to prevent their prey escaping. Number 4. To discourage predators, seagulls have developed a new adaptation, opposable feathers on their wings which allow them to hold twitch knives. When threatened, the seagull jumps to a high place and then strikes. Because very much like Obi-Wan, they know that if they have the higher ground, you cannot win. Number 3. In areas such as Brighton and Blackpool, there are in fact seagull gangs in operation, threatening tourists and gift shop owners to allow them to smuggle drugs via 2p arcade machines. Otherwise, they will steal their chips. However, they do offer protection to locals in return for fish and chips, hot dogs, donuts, you name it. Police are yet to track down their leader, who is hiding out somewhere in Rill. Number 2. This one requires a bit more research, but we think we have most of the facts now. But Nicolas Cage is actually a seagull in a trench coat. Think about it. Why do you think they had CGI bees in The Wicker Man? It's because seagulls hate bees. It's common knowledge. So they couldn't film with real bees, they had to get fake ones. Yeah, it's also why Nicolas Cage won't walk around with chips, because he knows he can't be near anyone with chips, because otherwise he will lash out and take the chips. And lastly, number 1. You know the film Birdemic? You know how we all thought that it was made by humans? It was actually made by seagulls to give eagles a bad name and a bad reputation. Think about it, guys. So, that is my top 10 facts about seagulls. So you can see, all have been well researched, scientific knowledge. I hope you've learned something today. I hope it was useful. Sorry for my awful content. I hope you find it somewhat entertaining. Yeah, so I'll try and upload another video soon, and I'll see you next time. Bye!